The first step is to sign up for a free email account. The following steps to open and begin reading your emails, and in the final step, you are paid for each email you read and open. This is completely free and available in all countries. You don't need any special experience or skills to check your email inbox once a day on your computer or smartphone. It simply takes a few minutes. In this short video, I'll teach you some errors to avoid, as well as an additional bonus tip to make twice as much money faster than other individuals. So ensure that you watch the entire video without skipping a beat. So today, I want to present the website volutic.com. Here, reading emails will earn you money. This is a brand new website that offers consumers a brand new way to generate money using their emails. Now, I think most of you guys do have an email account, whether they be Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or something else. You can essentially start earning money with Volutic for free by using any of these email addresses. There are currently over 300 members online and they have over 26,000 members. To earn money, they actively read and open emails. They are pretty open about their payments. And you can see that more than $2,000 had been distributed to folks from all over the world. And again, they welcome visitors from all over the world. So by simply following the instructions I'll outline in this short video, you'll be able to accomplish the same goal and begin making money on this website. Pages and pages of actual payment records attest to the fact that people are using volutic.com to withdraw real money online. This is the procedure. Anywhere you go, you can make money by simply reading emails. You can do this on a computer, a tablet, or just a mobile device. This applies to both Android and iPhones. And the only thing you need to do is click on this green register button to create a free account. You'll then head over to this website to register an account. Entering your username, email, password, and password confirmation is as easy as pie. Since the referral section is optional, you can just leave it empty. And then they're going to detect you right here automatically. I will then click on both of these and confirm that I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions before clicking the register button. You're going to arrive at this page after entering your details. This step is really important. If you don't complete it correctly, you might not receive any email and won't be able to earn any money. Now it says here to make sure that you receive all our emails and don't miss any paid emails. And this is extremely important because sometimes the email can end up in the spam inbox, or occasionally you might not receive the emails and you're going to miss out on a lot of earning chances. So make sure you add this email address to your contact list. You can read the emails on their website and get paid using Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Live, or Hotmail. But I strongly advise you to use Gmail because it offers a superior email service and is popular throughout many nations. Simply click on this link below to start watching the video. You'll then be given a brief tutorial on how to set this contact and add it to your contact list. Now I want you to go to google.com and enter the keyword Gmail. Press the search button and you'll be sent to Gmail by Google website. You can then access this page by just clicking the link provided. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now again, this is crucial since the first step is to open a Gmail account, which will allow you to receive emails and earn money by simply reading them. Here you can sign up for a free Gmail account and begin receiving emails. So if you're using a smartphone, all you need to do is visit the Gmail app on the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, you can find this specific program by performing a Google search for Gmail. Ensure that you download the appropriate software too. Now I want you to click on this blue button to create an account when you go to the Gmail homepage. Afterwards, you'll arrive at this screen where you can enter your first name, last name, and email. Now additionally, make sure you confirm your password before clicking the next button. This will be in your inbox once you successfully logged into your Gmail account. You'll get emails about various marketing campaigns, goods, promotions, discount, and other things. Now you should pay special attention because after receiving an email, you will click the star symbol to mark those emails as favorites. By doing that, you get more emails more regularly, and which enables you to earn more money online. So that's the first piece of advice I have for you. The second tip is to look for the reply option after scrolling down to the email. You need to respond to the email they sent you because after you reply, they will know that you are an active email reader and you'll receive more paid emails in the future. Let's try it. Click the reply button and enter something like "Hi" or "I receive an email." And remember that occasionally the email can land up in the spam folder, which means you might miss some of the paid emails and lose money. Now, here's another tip. I'll reveal a second email address that I created so I can continue receiving paid emails from Volotic. So I recently received another marketing campaign from a different business. You can see that it's just a straightforward email that is trying to promote something specific. Now, once more, what you'll do is hit the star button to favorite this email, and then press reply button to send a reply to acquire additional paid emails in the future. Now, I want to share with you one more bonus. You could sometimes get an email with an advertisement. So as soon as you receive the email, you must click this link button to proceed. Afterwards, you'll head on to the company's actual website. When you arrive, make sure to stay for at least 30 seconds. And once again, nothing needs to be clicked. You can simply do nothing and remain on the page for 30 seconds without having to sign up or pay anything. You only need to do that if you get a promotional email. In addition to reading emails, Volotic.com offers us the opportunity to refer others and make money. You can receive up to 6 levels of commission from them. And you can also get paid $1 more for every single referral you make. Now, I want you to visit Trendry.com. It's a well-known forum where individuals discuss various internet money-making strategies. And you can see that there are many different topics listed below this forum as you scroll down, like money making, get paid to, cryptocurrency, paid survey, paid affiliates, and so on. Now I want you to concentrate on the get paid to area. Click this and you'll land in this section. You can see that there are a lot of various things that people are posting and different options for making money online as you scroll down below. I just wanted to provide you with some actual proof that other individuals are using this tactic. Now let's go further so that you can see this individual and this post. All you have to do is click here to see how this guy is using this same method to generate a lot of referral traffic on Trendry.com. He simply explained in a short post on this forum exactly what Volotic is and how you can make money by reading emails. It provides you with some details about this and also their referral link. This individual will get paid for referring you to this website if you click on any of these referral links and sign up. You can use the same technique by placing a referral link on this forum, Trendry.com, and you can receive a ton of free traffic and referrals that way. So I wish this video could assist more people who are looking to make more money online. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.